Japheth,
Sir?
go to the conference room and off the AC.
Okay, sir.
What? I see this.
What? Guy! Hey! I hear me, by me. Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about this. This is what you want to use your life for. Funke!